Hello everybody, Todd here with the Curator of Thrift, and today I am just bringing some information just to share. Yesterday I was not able to get any eBay work done because it was Friday. I did take care of all my shipping and everything else, which is on the previous vlog, but I wasn't able to get anything done because my brother-in-law and sister-in-law are here at the house doing all my paint work as part of the trade that I did for doing some flooring for them. So they're coming in to take care of all of my woodworking that I've been doing around my house. So they took care of all the crown in the main living room, kitchen, dining room area with one big room, down the hallway and the guest room. And today they're gonna finish touching up and I think doing 1/3 coat, final coat. And then I think they're gonna take care of this wall and all of the other crown molding in here. And besides the crown molding in this room, there is also the rest of that opening and all of the baseboard that goes around the room. So they're going to take care of that for me too. So I am not 100% complete on everything in the house. I'm a DIY guy and I don't like to hire people, and I consider my house my personal investment. So I'm a little picky about how I do my work. So anyway, I don't like having people do it when I can do it and get it done for a lot less money. And that's just me. But anyway, I just wanted to share this and just let everybody know what's going on. Just to update. Got crap in my eyes. It's too early in the morning. Anyway, I got to get on it. I'm going to get my caulking done so that I can get some eBaying done this afternoon, hopefully. So I'll be back, everybody. It is still Saturday, and I am finishing up. My brother-in-law and sister-in-law are gone. Paint, everything's done, except for our master bathroom didn't get complete because they're rather worn out. Anyway, that's my wife cleaning the floor in the bedroom because we got a new vacuum from Costco to clean the floor because of pets, and pretty easy. It's hardwood floor. Anyway, enough about that. This is what I'm back on here for, is this. I finally got my last 2 shelves painted. Not for here, even though they did actually go in one of these, because I have these cabinets that were recycled, but they go in my really messy office. In these 2 cabinets, one's gonna go over here. I'm pushing this one up. Same with this one. This one's going up so I can get another shelf in here and reduce some clutter. So I'm slowly getting things organized in the house. I haven't touched the garage, even though I have some shorts on that. I'm gonna keep that with shorts. But yeah, that's what's going on. Everything's dead. Guest bedrooms, all paint. Everything's painted. The only thing I need to do with our guest bedroom is the baseboard on the floor. So that's it. And then eventually that'll get painted and some other stuff. But anyway, yeah. So we've been cleaning the house since they left and getting everything reconfigured, especially our bedroom. But yeah, I was glad I had to run out into the garage earlier and found that my shelving's sitting there. I'm like, oh yeah, I need to get this done. I've been trying to get it done for 2 years at a good logical time with the paint out, and today was it. So that's what happened. I will continue later. The sad part is I have not cleaned this since I put it together 2 years ago. So I am going to get some things cleaned, and I am starting with this one. This shelf is really, really dirty. So I am going to get that done. And I think I'm going to add books to the top shelf and move this one down for the stuff that was on it. So it'll give me a reason to move some things around, get some books. I want to get these books out of this, or these out of this shelf too. I haven't decided yet. I'm not sure yet. So I don't know. As much books as I got, I'm thinking I might have to do at least one and more of these shelves with books. So anyway, all right, everybody, it is Monday morning and I am continuing. So yeah, everything's painted, kind of trying to share that here. They took care of that. Everything in the house is taken care of. So as far as my office goes, I still have a lot to do. I'm still working on the bookcase and display shelving. So let me show that real quick. So there it is. You can see everything there. I'm still not done with here down complete. I'm still got to clean it and organize it. But yeah, everything's pretty well up there. It is still a lot to see, but it's getting there. So I've been pulling everything off of one shelf, wiping everything down, deciding what to put away, and then putting back what I want up there. So I've made a lot of changes, removed a lot of smalls, getting rid of things like, I'll show you, I'll show you a couple of things, here, like stuff like this. It's just too much. I have too much of it, too much little stuff. So that's all going to be removed and get things organized. So what I did is I put stuff in a dresser here that I had all my Hot Wheel truck stuff and go from there. But yeah, because I actually have to remove everything from the walls at some point in the future, because I'm actually don't want this much in here. So my plan is to take my Woody's on the Wharf posters and actually just have those, and I'll probably still keep this poster because it's signed by the Alexander brothers, and they're no longer with us awesome custom car builders from the 50s and 60s and 70s probably. But anyway, so that's the stuff I'm going to keep here, but a lot of my Cars on Vinyl is going to be removed. I may keep it around the top, I'm not sure, but once I put Crown in here, it'll push them too far down, so I may not do that. They'll probably end up in the garage. If I ever get anything cleaned up and organized in the garage, my plan was to put them in the garage with a bunch of my other stuff, but we shall see. I may just put them away and not do anything with them. But other than that, I still have to clean out this dresser and move it out of here. My plan is to get it into another room. And then this cabinet, it's all files, and obviously with drawers on top, is going to go in that place over here so that I can have less stuff in here. The shelf's got to go. This shelf over here, I haven't decided what to do with my old CD container, rack cabinet, whatever you call it. I haven't decided what to do with that yet. Then I can get my stuff here, some stuff I've already listed, but this is table's gonna go up against the wall and be everything off the middle of the floor. So I will have some nice open space here to move around on instead of tripping over everything. So that's the plan. Still a little here, a little there. I want to get this room as done as possible so that I can move into my eBay storage room and my media room, which is, here, which as you can see is just a mess of stuff. This is all mostly CDs. I mean, this whole section here is mostly CDs with some stuff on top. CD holders, all this. I want to get all of this off my floor. All of this over here, my CD storage and cassette storage needs to be moved. And my plan for this is to take these two pieces. It's kind of hard to see here. Let me get my lighting on. I want to take these two pieces. I was thinking of taking this and sticking it on that wall and having this come off of it. And then over there, put my dresser. But I'm not sure if I want to do that. As the dresser, I'd rather have it centered. I may turn this up against the wall next to the dresser and then move this over a little bit. But my main thing is to figure out how to get all this crap off the floor. I got to figure that out. Because, as you can see, I got to put these in totes out in the garage. I got to do that. I still got to go through my CDs that I got from Rasputin's, those two bags there. Those two framed pictures I got to list. I got to figure out what to do with that poster. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to keep it. I have too many car pictures as it is. Closet's just full. I've been putting all of my sealed media and stuff up here. I'm thinking eventually I'm going to gut the whole closet and then possibly put more bookcases in here. But I just got to find the right bookcases to do it. But my plan is, like usual, to do it like I did with this. Get the furniture, the old oak furniture, tear it all apart and rebuild it to the size and dimensions I need it to be. So that's the plan. Anyway, I am done for now. I'm tired of babbling on, and I am going to end this and then start another video. I have to do my sales video. So anyway, I will be back, everybody, with an update on how everything's going, and then go from there to continue the future of remodeling not only my or not remodeling, reorganizing everything in my office, my secondary bedroom for storage, and more importantly, the garage, which I started doing some shorts on because I'd rather just do simple shorts showing that. So I already have 3 up there, so check them out if you can. Anyway, this is Todd. I am the curator of Thrift, and I'm not telling much about what I've done, but on my office, so that has to do with what I'm doing. So that is it. I am done for now. I got to go and get everything done so I can get myself back home and get some eBay listings done. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you could, please subscribe. Please comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you can. And hit that bell for notifications so that you can be notified of all future content, which is going to be continued. And with that, I am done, everybody. So enjoy your rest of your day. Hustle with that eBay or whatever platform you are reselling on, and continue to find those great things to flip. Have a great day, everybody.